Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching part 1. Here is part 2. But before we get started, if you would like to help support the channel, please visit the link down below to Patreon. I would appreciate it. So, let's get started.
Do it. They'll find us if you don't.
Come on, Bran. Come on. Come on. We need you now. Come on. Come on. Yeah, hit him. Yes.
You were right the whole time.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
Dario Naharis.
Do I trust him? I don't trust him really. After this, maybe. No, it's a trap. It's a trap. Come on. Come on. We've been taking all of them out. Wow.
That's what you call a few guards.
Oh my goodness. Every time I see Robb, I just think he's going to drop dead. Every time I see him, because of that curse that's on his name.
I hope I'm not a disappointment to you.
Oh.
You're a delight to me, my lady.
You may now cloak the bride and bring her under your protection.
Father, smith, warrior, mother, maiden, crone, stranger. I am hers, and she is mine, from this day until the end of my days.
Not your turn, not today.
You got inside Hodor's mind.
I can't do that north of the wall.
No one can do that. Anyway.
He's the first. He's powerful.
I'm not going north of the wall. Everything Jojen told me is true. I have to find the three-eyed raven. Listen to me, little lord. Don't worry. I'm not asking you to come with me. It won't be safe for Rickon.
Me?
The Umbers are our bannermen. They'll protect you.
I'm coming with you.
Robb's at war, and I'm going beyond the wall. If something happens to us, you're the heir to Winterfell. You don't have to do any of this.
Your family took me in and was good to me when they had no cause to be.
Shh. We'll be fine, you and me.
I don't like that Osha is not going to be with Bran, though.
Keep this one safe. He means the world to me.
Oh.
It was just as you said. Their slave soldiers threw down their spears and surrendered.
What?
And
Are you sure?
Dario Naharis?
Yeah, where is he?
The city is yours, my queen.
Something is going to happen. Every scene, I'm just thinking something is going to happen.
Didn't you marry one of these Frey girls?
Aye. Lord Walder let me choose any of his granddaughters and promised me the girl's weight in silver as a dowry. So I have a fat young bride.
If she had her way, I would be back in Volantis playing my harp, and you would be sitting over there eating blackberries out of Rosalind Frey's hand.
Perhaps I've made a terrible mistake.
No, don't.
A sword needs a sheath. And the wedding needs a bedding. What does my sire say?
Let us bed them.
Okay, this is a wedding. I'm still nervous, but
Now, ladies, once you set
what's
that
going to
monster
happen?
free, there's no caging him again.
It's tradition. Without the bedding ceremony, there's no real proof the Lord and Lady consummated their marriage.
No, but there are other ways of providing proof.
I'm worried that it's a smoke baby.
But if it's a boy, I know what we should name him.
Oh, do you? It seems to me the father should have some say in his son's naming.
Eddard.
What's going on? What is she thinking about? I'm worried. What is going to happen?
Where are you going? Got salt pork for the feast.
The feast is over.
Okay, bit locked.
What is... something is not right.
I haven't shown you the hospitality you deserve. My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Are you ready to head home to Winterfell, eh?
Oh my god. They are all Lannister men, right? Frey betrayed them.
It's too late.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
The king in the north arises.
Oh my god.
Lord Walder! Lord Walder, enough! He is my son. My first son. Let him go, and I swear we will forget this.
And why would I let him do that?
On my honor as a Tully. On my honor as a Stark. Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
Oh my god, this show. I can't.
Mother.
The Lannisters send their regards.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does this show, the writer, whoever, like, why do they hate the Starks so much? Who's going to get the revenge for them? Arya? Is it going to be Sansa? Who? Because neither one of them are in a position right now. Robb is now dead. Their mother is now dead. That was a slaughter. Like, Bolton, I thought that he was loyal to... Oh my God. The Lannisters won. All the way now. All the way. They are wiping out the Starks so hard. It's just not fair for one family. Like, for real. Please don't tell me because it's going to be a spoiler. But Sansa and whoever is left of the Starks, I mean, they deserve some happiness. All of them may go down. Every last one of them may go down. I did not expect this. I was so excited for this episode. I was so excited for it. And now this happened. I am in shock. My emotions are all over the place. I want to cry. I want to scream. I want to holler. I want to just yell. I want to meet this writer. I want to meet the writer of the books, the writer of the show, the creator. I want to meet them all and just ask them why. Why so much on this family? Why couldn't it have been the Lannisters? They deserve this. Joffrey, he deserved this. Why them? Oh my God. This is going to be a rant. This is a rant, okay? This is going to be a rant. This was a great... Oh, gosh. This was a great episode. It pains me to say, but it ended so tragically. Oh my God. The people that just got married, where are they? They are dead? The husband is dead? No, he took them off somewhere, so he don't know what's going on at all. He don't know what went on there. So they got the wedding and then they betrayed them. Did Robb deserve this? On one hand, he never took the advice that his mother gave him, that anyone gave him. He killed the guy from the north. I forgot his name. He killed the guy from the north when Catelyn and everyone told him not to. He married Talisa. His mother warned him about, Theon. It's just so much, like, did he deserve this? Not in this brutal way. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. I cannot. This was a great episode, don't get me wrong. It was so great. What is up with all of my shows lately? They are just taking a dark turn. But I have to just think there is a light at the end of the tunnel and everything is going to get better. It's going to get better. It's not, is it? It's not. Again, this was a great episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this reaction, please give me a huge thumbs up. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. I will be back very soon with episode 10. Until next time, everyone, you have a great day.